Your taste buds are craving comfort, your wallet's saying budget, and your schedule demands quick. Let's make it happen. Welcome to AI Easy Recipes. We're about to show you how to whip up a healthy, heartwarming meal that ticks all the boxes. One pan, simple ingredients, and incredible flavor, that's the promise. Let's get cooking with Gemini. Hi Gemini. I would like to prepare a main entree for 4 people. I will be using 1 pot to cook this meal. My guests have no allergies. I would love the recipe to be comfort food. Some things to keep in mind. The meal needs to be healthy and nutritious. Feel free to include chicken. Please also include a shopping list. Looking forward to tasting our flavorful meal.
Hey everyone, let's get cozy with a comforting 1-pot chicken dish. Today we're making a hearty chicken and vegetable stew, perfect for a chilly day or just when you need a warm, satisfying meal. We're making 1-pot chicken and vegetable stew. This stew is packed with tender chicken and loads of veggies, making it a complete and delicious meal in 1 pot. All right, let's gather our ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, or breasts if you prefer. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 1 medium onion chopped. 2 carrots chopped. 2 celery stalks chopped. 2 cloves of garlic minced. 1 teaspoon of paprika. Half a teaspoon of ground cumin. 1 bay leaf. 1.5 pounds of potatoes cubed. 4 cups of chicken broth. 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Just dump the whole can in there. 1 cup of frozen peas. Salt and pepper to taste. And some fresh parsley chopped for a nice garnish. Now let's get cooking. Here's how we're gonna do it. First, we're gonna sear the chicken. Heat up that olive oil in a big pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Season those chicken thighs with salt and pepper. Sear them on both sides until they're golden brown, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Then take the chicken out and set it aside. Next, let's sauté the veggies. Add the chopped onion, carrots, and celery to the pot. Cook them until they're softened, about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, throw in the minced garlic, paprika, and cumin. Cook for another minute until it smells amazing. Now, let's add the broth and tomatoes. Pour in the chicken broth and diced tomatoes. Add the cubed potatoes and bay leaf. Bring it all to a simmer. Time to bring the chicken back. Put the seared chicken back in the pot. Turn the heat down to medium-low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and the potatoes are tender. Almost there. Stir in the frozen peas and cook for another 5 minutes, or until the peas are heated through. And finally, let's serve it up. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Don't forget to take out that bay leaf. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve it hot. It's gonna be so comforting. And there you have it, a hearty, delicious, and super comforting 1-pot chicken stew. Find the full shopping list, the recipe, cook time, and some handy nutritional tips in the description below. Enjoy your delicious and budget-friendly meal.
Thank you, Gemini. Let me know in the comments what recipe you'd like to see Gemini share next. Enjoy your delicious creation, and see you in the next recipe. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes.